Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Drive app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Drive, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Google Drive application. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Google Drive. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, we have, as you can see, the home screen, the start, shared, and the files option. And in the top left corner, we have the recent, offline, spam, and the bin, and the settings option also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Google Drive app not working. Well, you have a few steps that you could do. The first step is to go and delete the application and then go and download it again and try it like that. The other option is to restart your internet connection and try it with that. You can also go and restart your whole phone device. So basically you can shut down your phone and then install and then open the phone again. Also, there is an option that you can go and check the support if none of these options work. So to check out with them what you can actually go and do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video, as I said. And guys, as always, I hope to see you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.